Friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles.
Introduction to Spiritual Awakening for Beginners. If you've found yourself drawn to the concept of spiritual awakening, you may be wondering where to begin. Embarking on this journey can feel daunting, but the beauty of spiritual awakening is that it's an incredibly personal and unique experience. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, but there are some general guidelines to help you get started. In this guide, we'll provide an overview of spiritual awakening for beginners, including practical tips and insights to help you navigate this transformative journey. Understanding spiritual awakening. Before diving in, it's essential to have a basic understanding of what spiritual awakening is. At its core, a spiritual awakening is a profound shift in consciousness and self-awareness. It's about deepening your connection with yourself, others, and the universe, and it can lead to a greater sense of meaning, purpose, and inner peace in your life. Spiritual awakening can look different for everyone and often occurs in response to a deep-seated desire for change or a significant life event. Finding your why. One of the first steps in embarking on your spiritual awakening journey is understanding your why. What is it that's drawing you to this path? Are you searching for a deeper sense of purpose or meaning in your life? Are you seeking a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you? Reflecting on your motivations can help you clarify your intentions and set the stage for your journey ahead. Cultivating self-awareness. Self-awareness is a critical component of spiritual awakening. To better understand yourself, your beliefs, and your desires, you'll need to engage in regular introspection. This can be done through journaling, meditation, or simply spending time alone in quiet contemplation. The goal is to turn your attention inward, exploring your thoughts, feelings, and emotions with an open mind and heart. By cultivating self-awareness, you'll begin to identify patterns, beliefs, and behaviors that no longer serve you, making room for new insights and growth. Exploring different spiritual practices. Find the suitable right fit is essential in fostering a meaningful spiritual awakening. Some popular practices include meditation, yoga, mindfulness, prayer, and spending time in nature. You might also explore spiritual texts or teachings from various traditions, such as Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, or New Age philosophies. The key is to keep an open mind, try different practices, and see what resonates with you. Creating a spiritual routine. Consistency is crucial when it comes to nurturing your spiritual awakening. Set aside regular time for your spiritual practice. You'll create a solid foundation for growth and transformation. This might look like a daily meditation practice, weekly yoga classes, or setting aside time each day for prayer or reflection. Find a routine that feels manageable and enjoyable for you, and remember that you can always adjust your practice as you evolve on your journey. Seeking guidance and support. Navigating a spiritual awakening can be confusing and isolating at times, so it's essential to seek out guidance and support from others. This might be a spiritual mentor, a therapist, or a group of like-minded individuals. You can find support through local spiritual communities, online forums, or by attending workshops and retreats. Connecting with others on a similar path can provide encouragement, inspiration, and valuable insights to help you on your journey. Embracing change and growth. It often brings about significant change and growth, both internally and externally. This can be challenging, as it often requires you to let go of long-held beliefs and patterns of behavior. Embrace this change with an open heart and trust that you're evolving into a more authentic and aligned version of yourself. Staying grounded. As you progress on your journey, you may experience moments of heightened awareness or intense emotions. This is a normal part of the spiritual awakening process. However, it's important to stay grounded during these times. You can do this by practicing mindfulness, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and ensuring that you're taking care of your physical needs. Remember, spiritual growth doesn't mean neglecting your physical well-being. On the contrary, a balanced approach to body, mind, and spirit is essential for a holistic awakening. Navigating doubts and obstacles. On your spiritual awakening journey, it's natural to encounter doubts, fears, and obstacles. You may question your path or feel overwhelmed by the changes you're experiencing. During these challenging times, it's crucial to be gentle with yourself. Remember that growth often comes from discomfort, and these challenges are part of your evolution. Reach out for support when needed, take time to rest and recharge, and remind yourself of why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Living authentically as your spiritual awakening unfolds, you'll likely find yourself becoming more authentic and true to yourself. This involves honoring your feelings, expressing your truth, and living in alignment with your values and beliefs. It may require making changes in your life, such as shifting relationships, altering career paths, or adopting new lifestyles. While these changes can be challenging, they're a crucial part of living an authentic life and embracing your spiritual awakening fully. Appreciating the journey. Finally, remember to appreciate the journey. Spiritual awakening isn't a destination to be reached, but an ongoing process of growth and discovery. There will be highs and lows, periods of clarity and confusion, but each step, each experience, is a crucial part of your unique journey. Embrace the process, learn from each experience, and know that every step is bringing you closer to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. In conclusion, beginning a spiritual awakening journey is a deeply personal and transformative process. It requires openness, self-awareness, and a willingness to embrace change. While it can be challenging at times, the rewards of self-discovery, authentic living, and a deeper connection with the universe are truly priceless. Remember, there's no right way to awaken spiritually, it's all about finding your unique path and embracing the journey with an open heart and mind.